do today is we're gonna welcome you to Daughter Day. So welcome to Daughter Day. We're going creamy and tan today. We're gonna go do some Christmas shopping, take advantage of this ugly weather. Dad said it's pretty, but it looks very like foggy and gross. So anyways, so here's a story. I am just getting ready in the bathroom and I see Winnie under the bed chewing on something. So I'm like, what is that? On the back it says, Merry Christmas, with a little scribbled name that says Bryan. And what is on the front? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So the fact that this has never been hung up in our house at Christmas time, with this angel with these sweet little cheeks and this cute little chin and those eyes, no ma'am, this is going up every year. This is getting put away with the Christmas decorations. This is going on the tree right now. Let me put my jacket on first so the outfit's complete though. I really need a haircut. Actually, I don't. I really need some blonde. Can you hear me? Me and you, quiet on the set. So Dad, in the future, don't you ever keep something as cute as this from me ever again. Put Dad's name on the top of my list. I just wanna make him mine. I've told Dad for years, sometimes even just looking at pictures of him when he's a little kid makes me want to cry. He's so adorable and I can just see that sweet little heart in that face. I'm currently being joined by Kenzie Holgate. She is a star. And okay, if you want to know what's hip, Kenzie's hip. Uggs, Nike Pros, Lulu shorts, Aviator Nation jacket, some pretty hair, star patches. Winnie Holgate, yeah. What do you have? That's why you looked guilty. What do you have? Hi, we're back. We're back because we need to clock Dad's fit. Look, he joined me in the Creamy Nation. And then there was another thing that I was gonna say. Oh, and Kenzie's the Aviator Nation. We're gonna go run some Christmas. We're gonna have a Christmas day, and then we're gonna watch Family Switch tonight. Are you excited, Kendra?
Yes.
Loves it. Loves Scott. And then what else? Any other notable things for this day?
Are those Uggs on that girl outside?
Oh
They
no.
are.
They're thugs. Okay, let's get out of here. Hi, we're just making our first stop at Starbucks, and bro.
Yeah?
So you know who can get a Starbucks with me? Aww. Yeah, you can. Operation Bestie Drinks, be real. And Dee Dee, look what I brought to snack on in the mall from England. These little treats. Dad, do you want? Remember, we're at the Disney store. Look at, remember that?
She's your granny.
Kenzie, your favorite singer. Yes, we loves it. One day. What's this music from? I can't tell. Yeah, we can. I'm gonna get that for Miss Betty for Halloween. I mean for Christmas. Please, Disney, make these things in our size. Come on. Look at this.
These are amazing.
Oh my gosh, serious. It's not a want, it's a need. I carried a piggy around forever when I was 3, Dee Dee. I love her, I want her. Sketchbook, ornaments, and oh, do they have Wish? That's our tradition. We always get the new Disney movie and an ornament.
Movie, yeah.
Dad. We're at the grocery store now. Bro is in her almond milk era, so we're getting some of that. Okay. We're like getting some tomatoes, and isn't this boy just so kissable? Dad wants me to try this beast, but it's terrifying. It looks poisonous.
Tomatoes. So good.
Can we get one?
Yeah, we can.
I feel like a princess. They didn't make me carry groceries out. They didn't make me put them away. They told me to get in the car. Isn't that sweet? This is a faraway reaction video to an heiress tomato. Wait, you're not cutting the ugly one? That's that?
It's so big.
Wait, what's the story of that one?
They're all heirloom tomatoes.
Why is the bruised one so ugly? Can I have like a smidge of one? I don't like to put like a whole.
Probably not.
Oh, Dee.
I don't know. You cut it then.
Mm-mm.
Does tomatoes sting?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Film something?
I touched my shirt on accident.
You were here for 3 seconds.
I don't care. It's fine. I'll get it out.
Do you want some salt and pepper on it?
Sure. Watch this. Don't move. Bippity boppity. Whoa! Cool.
They're both kissing Dee Dee.
I have a challenge for you. I added something new.
Tenenbaum.
Yeah, I added something new to the Tenenbaum. Dad, how do you say Tenenbaum in a German accent? Tannenbaumen? Anywho's, I added something to the Christmas tree. Tell me when you find it. $1 if you find it in 1 minute. $2 if you find it. Wait, no, that's backwards. You'll find it. You'll love it. You're very cold. Warmer, warmer. You're on fire. You are in flames. Ah, you're getting a little less warm. You're 70 degrees. Warmer, warmer. You're at Castaway Key. Isn't that so cute? Isn't that cute?
I saw it this morning. I was like,
isn't that cute?
yes.
He's so adorable.
Jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle.
Do it again.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
It's Saturday night and the feeling's all right. Look at these beautiful chicken breasts Dad's making. Look at this heirloom salad Dad made. What kind of cheese is that? Parmesan. It's glorious looking. Hi, welcome to Saturday night in Dad's kitchen with me and sister. We're gonna have a spray together of You're the One by Bath & Body Works. But $5.95 on Saturdays. Ready? 2, close eyes. Dad, what are you making us for dinner, honey? We need your voice in this video.
Chicken
With
butter,
and
garlic.
no, but what else comes with the chicken?
Oh, the tomato pasta. No,
And
tomato
rice.
and what is it? Tomato cucumber. Spin rice.
So tonight, me and our bro, we're gonna watch Family Switch on Netflix with Jenny Garney. And anything else that you wanted to for this evening?
Oh, we have to get, it's December 2nd, so to do all the second
Ooh,
things.
let's do it now. Good on you for remembering. La 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 na na na. We're not gonna read our book yet, but will you come get our book out?
Yeah.
Kenzie Penzie. So look for 2. Okay, it's in the envelope, and I'm so excited. Read us what our story is called.
It is, drum roll please. Onward.
Onward, that's gonna be fun.
How long is it?
How does this boy do what he did? How does he do what he does?
How long?
How?
5.
I'm doing dishes, but I had to turn the water off because Dad's having a We Have Really Pretty Dogs moment. So 5 seconds of We Have Really Pretty Dogs. Hi everyone, it's me, Dee Dee from the Eras Tour. We're watching Family Switch. Quick video of our nephew Jordy watching our YouTube. Isn't this so cute? Good morning. It's Sunday morning. I've got kitty coffee. Tonight, Kenzie plays in her first basketball game, and we're taking you along with us. It's gonna be so cute. Her team is called the Wildcats, like High School Musical Wildcats. And we're having our first German Advent. It's like a thing where you like light a candle one Sunday a month, and no, one Sunday a week. Wait, every Sunday in December. And like you have like German cookies and stuff and dance and be crazy. It's gonna be fun. Look at Dad's coffee. Dad is having coffee this Sunday morning. Show me the mug. And the little Elsa and the little Anna from Frozen 2. And Dad, is that froth you made, dear?
Kenzie did it. It's almond.
What? From what story?
My family.
Oh, Dad, we'd rather be home with you than go to any party ever.
No, it's just
Well,
nice to
we
be home and be
guess
alone.
you'd say we're playing Roblox on our
I'm not
computer
playing Roblox.
today. I'm just kidding. He's adorable and he made breakfast again. It feels like some breakfast every day. Hey, breakfast. Hey, you're in Dad's kitchen. Look what he's making his daughter for a brisk Sunday morning hot chocolate. Wait, you're doing, oh wait, hot chocolate. You're doing it with Nessie Quickie?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know that we could do that. Dee, did you? Voila, an almond milk hot chocolate for the girl with almond-shaped nails. Take a sip and let's get a live reaction. That looks like a good reaction. Ow, I'm literally stuck in the blinds. Okay then, welcome to Dad's Sunday. We're gonna go on the hunt for some German cookies. The world's first advent tonight. Thank you very much.
Klingt lustig.
German cookies. And anything else that anybody wants to do while we're out?
Yeah, I want to get pots and pans for myself.
I wanna go like this. We're Disney cruise shopping and look what Dad found. Perfect message for me.
No. No.
Bro. They also have her. Kenzie hates this character. Just wanted to let you know. We're in a Target in the city Dad grew up in. It's brand new, it just opened. We just are like, whatever. But anyways, oh, the baby. But they have windows in it. When have you ever seen a window in Target? You're supposed to have that like warmy, like red, white vibe, but this one has like Costco floor too. It's interesting. Dad. POV, your Dee Holgate. Winnie. Hi, it's 4:45. It's been a very mellow day. Is that oranges you're putting in there?
What?
What are you
I have
doing?
to make breadcrumbs.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay, so Dad's not like able to do like a little miniature cooking with Dad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a game. I'm gonna explain the game right now. Okay, so the game is gonna be, Dad's just gonna tell me whenever I need to film something. Like it's just gonna be like the food doing its thing, like Dad being like, okay, in goes the cow, you know what I mean? And so Dad, your challenge is, your challenge is call me over when I need to record like the next step. And it's just gonna be like noodles, pasta. It's gonna be cool. Hello, gingerbreads. So Dad's got a pot of things going right here of water, and then he's got a pot of ruses, whatever, going right there. The goal of the meal is to make chicken parmesan, right, dear?
Yeah.
He didn't have breadcrumbs, so he just shredded up, like, what did you shred up?
King's Hawaiian rolls.
Oh, I can smell them. That smells fabulous. Ooh. So he's gonna like bake some
I don't want them
breadcrumbs,
tasting
and then we'll
like
be back in a minute.
After, like,
What is
that
it?
Flavor.
Oh, that's awful. So what you're gonna want to do is take your shreds and put a little garlic.
It's just Italian seasoning. So
A little
like
Italian seasoning on our
multiple.
breadcrumbs. I'm not as good as explaining food things as Dad. It's just the blonde way we're doing it right now. Okay.
Okay, now I can.
And he's gonna do mozzarella noodles, and they go in. Hey guys, what's up? How long do they crisp for?
I'm gonna have to toast them and like toss them, so just till they're golden.
Yeah, so just do it till they're golden. As I was saying, Dad did the whack-a-mole thing. My phone was having like a panic attack. He did the whack-a-mole thing. He got the chicken sauce smoothie. He's cracked an egg in there. He's made his breadcrumbs. They're coming out of the oven. Love it. And then he's gonna like pat it all. Put this in the egg. Pat it in there. Dad has entrusted me with the hard task of putting some vegetable oil into what?
The black pan, and it is hot.
Okay. Do I dump or just lightly?
Pour. Yeah, pour. Pour till the whole bottom is covered.
Oh Lord, that's a lot. No wonder you run out of this so fast. So what does the oil do for the chicken?
It fries. Sit up.
That is quite the story for the chicken. And then so Dad's gonna like put that in there, and then does it cook the whole thing in there? Okay, this is Dee Dee. When you're editing, this is not a fact. Look at that chicken. I wish you could smell in here. It smells like Vince's spaghetti if you've ever been there. And that's one chicken. It really smells like Vince's spaghetti in here. Voila, crispy, yummy, little spots of yumminess. And then pasta over here. Hi, Kenzie. How are you? Tell us a fact about you, Kenzie.
I'm slay.
Look at him go. Where am I, Hutchins? Our little lady Wildcat all ready for her first basketball game. Now here's something tricky. All her basketball games are gonna be on Sunday night. I did blink.
Show us the back. Show us the back.
Number 11, that's Kenzie's lucky number. And so all of our Advents, which are typically on each Sunday every month in December, are going to be moved to Monday nights, Winnie, because basketball takes precedence, right, LeBron?
Wait, I want one more.
You are Ladidi. Let me see the sneakies. First up, Little League of Basketball. Next up, WNBA. That means women's, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Dude!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Steal it, Kenzie. Get it back.
Hey!
Don't you ever!
I know, thank you, Copper. This is it, my little bro. Oh! Follow to all. Basketball has us home late, and so Judy didn't get to do this today. I'm sad. Today was a throw-off day from our normal Sunday Christmas time traditions because of basketball, but it's okay. We're gonna do some celebrating tomorrow. But bro, I did it for you. I'll do this one.